If you ever start uploading the wrong file to Google Drive or you just change your mind halfway through, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop a file upload in progress on Google Drive. This is a super quick fix, but knowing the right place to click can save you time, prevent mistakes, and keep your drive organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and start with the upload that is currently in progress. Once the file begins uploading, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. That is where Google Drive shows the upload panel, and this is the place you need to focus on. You should see the file name, the upload status, and usually a small cancel icon next to the upload. Now look for the X button next to the file that is uploading. This is the cancel option. As soon as you click that settings, Google Drive will stop the upload immediately. This is the fastest and easiest way to stop a file upload in progress, and it works great if you catch it while the upload is still active. So if you uploaded the wrong document, selected the wrong image, or simply need to pause and rethink the upload, just click that X and the process will end right away. If you do not see the cancel option right away, don't panic, because there are two simple backup methods you can use. The first option is to refresh the page. On most computers, you can press Ctrl and R to refresh the browser. When the page reloads, the upload usually stops automatically. This is a very useful method if the upload panel is not responding or if the cancel button is hidden for some reason. The second option is to close the browser tab completely. If you close the tab while the upload is still in progress, the upload will cancel instantly. This is another quick solution when you need to stop the upload immediately and you cannot find the X button. Just remember, once you close the tab, the upload will not continue, so use this only if you really want to cancel it. The key thing to remember is that the upload panel in the bottom right corner is your control center. That's where you can monitor what is being uploaded, see the progress, and stop it if needed. So whenever you want to cancel a Google Drive upload, always check that bottom right upload area first. And that's it. That is how to stop file upload in progress on Google Drive. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.